Good evening, Dr. Andy Kirshner here, and I'd like to welcome you back to the Backwards blog at backtogether.org. Tonight I am sporting my Philadelphia Eagles jersey in spite of their absolutely shameful loss to the Dallas Cowboys this past weekend. I am certain that they will prevail in their next meeting. Now, tonight I would like to discuss a slightly touchy subject, and that is the subject of sexual intimacy and how it relates to back pain. Now, unfortunately, when back pain sets in for an individual, one of the first things that they push to the wayside is sexual intimacy. And this is sort of ironic because there's so many things that are therapeutic about the act of sexual intercourse. First of all, the slow rhythmic movement of sexual intercourse helps to mobilize segments of the spine which have become stuck. Secondly, when you climax, there is a release of endorphins, which is a natural pain reliever and can help you to relax. And thirdly, when you are feeling alone and in pain and suffering with all this discomfort that comes with back pain, sexual intimacy is one of those things that will allow you to feel close to your partner and allow you to start feeling normal again. So I've received a few viewer questions about how you can find ways to enjoy sex when you're experiencing pain. Well, there's a couple things you need to keep in mind. When you're in pain, your paradigm for sexual intercourse may have to take a little bit of a remodeling session. What you may need to do is experiment with different positions. There may be different things that you haven't tried before, and you may have to use manual or oral stimulation in order to achieve the results that you're looking for. And this may be a temporary thing, it may be a long-term thing, but it doesn't matter because ultimately, when you're both starting to enjoy each other, sometimes the back pain won't matter quite as much. Now, I was at the American Osteopathic Association convention last year in San Diego, and I met a doctor named Dr. Pierre Angier. This is his book called The Joy of Comfortable Sex. It's a great book. I've recommended it to several of my patients, and they've really gotten great benefit from it. There's great tips in here and ways to really find different positions and ways to enjoy yourself again. And I really do recommend it. I've included the link to the Amazon page where you can actually purchase this book at the bottom of this post. Now, as you're reintroducing sexual intimacy back into your lives after what may have been a hiatus because of the back pain, you may not get the results that you're looking for right away. It may take some trial and error, and you may have to experiment to find things that are mutually pleasurable and mutually pain-free for both of you. So don't become frustrated if you're not getting those results right away. But I will tell you that it is absolutely worth the effort. I mean, this is something that is absolutely worth taking the time to try and get the benefit that you're looking for. In any case, I'd like to thank you for joining me here at the Back Together blog at www.backtogether.org. If you have any questions or comments or topics that you'd like to see covered here at the blog, please feel free to submit them. I'm always looking forward to viewer questions, and your questions help to keep the site interesting. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.